बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। और सुनाएं, आपका रमज़ान कैसे चल रहा है? आई होप कि इंशाल्लाह आपका रमज़ान का महीना भी बहुत अच्छा जा रहा होगा।
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all. You are with us with our channel AAW Knowledge Consultancy. आज हमने थोड़ा सा पैटर्न को चेंज किया। हमारे फ्रेंड्स ने कुछ हमें सजेशंस दी हैं कि जी आप थोड़ा उर्दू में भी बोला करें, लोकल ऑडियंस को आप एड्रेस करें, चूँकि आप थ्रू आउट इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों को रिजर्वेशंस हैं। तो आज हमने डिसाइड किया है कि हम इसको बड़े प्रैक्टिकल मैनर से अपनी मार्केट के मुताबिक लेके चलेंगे और समझाने के अंदाज से। और मैं इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि रमज़ानुल मुबारक है कि इस वीडियो को आप लाइक करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये प्रोडक्टिव साबित होगी आप लोगों के लिए। आज जो हमने टॉपिक व्हाट वी हैव डिसाइडेड को एजुकेशन है और उस पर कुछ सवाल हैं जो मैडम मुझसे करेंगी और आई विल गिव यू द आंसर। सो प्लीज़ रीड इट आउट केयरफुली कि कैसे आपने अच्छा बैंड अचीव करना है स्पीकिंग में। मार्क माय वर्ड कि अगर आप इन इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करेंगे, ऐसे बोलेंगे, तो 8+ बैंड इज़ नो मोर बिग डील फॉर यू। सो जी
थैंक यू सो मच। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको पता होना चाहिए कि व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय को एजुकेशन। को एजुकेशन मीन्स द टीचिंग ऑफ बोथ बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स इन द सेम स्कूल, कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटीज़ अंडर द सेम रूफ। यानी को एजुकेशन का मतलब ये है कि आप तालीम बच्चे और बच्चियाँ वहाँ पे हासिल करते हैं सेम सिलेबस के साथ एक ही छत के नीचे। और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन एडवांस कंट्रीज adopted this system, but now developing countries are also introducing this system. माशाल्लाह से ये सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है और इसकी वजह से ही हम लोग तरक्की कर रहे हैं। आप देखिएगा हमारे साथ इंशाल्लाह। थैंक यू सो मच। आपके व्यूज़, आपके कमेंट्स का बहुत शुक्रिया। इसी तरह लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। AAW Knowledge Consultancy. Let's start our interview. Thank you so much.
जी
Okay.
मैडम।
First of all, I would like to ask you, does the co-education system of graduation level improve the attitude and behavior of the students?
Yes, of course. The co-education means when male and female students study in the same class. The co-education system is very beneficial to improve the attitude, vision, mind, behavior and performance of the students, especially at graduation level. You know, when there is a co-education system, students try to improve their communication skills. They more focus on improvement of their personalities. They more focus on improvement of their performance. So they learn how to negotiate with each other. They learn how to behave with each other in a decent way. So there is a learning culture. There is an environment where students interact with each other. They take part in class participation. They work on their group assignments. They share knowledge and brainstorming. This improve their caliber, their understanding, their vision. So in this way they improve their behavior performance. As you know, when there is a core system, boys, males especially, they tends to be more focused on improving their communication. They are much focused that they should not use the vulgar or the casual language. Similarly, they want to improve their dressing, their personalities and their behavior. So this is a very beneficial for both male and female students to improve their attitude, vision, behavior and performance. And of course, the co-education at a graduate level will provide them all facilities for their improvement, and they improve a lot in this way of the system.
Exactly. This is really helpful and fruitful for all of us. Thank you so much. The next question is, do you think the class environment and standard of learning improves in the co-education system?
Yes, of course. In co-education system, students have ample of opportunities because they are more focused on improving their behavior, improving their vision, improving their communication skills and improving their knowledge. In co-education, they show more responsible behavior in behaving with each other, in taking active class participation, knowledge sharing, and brainstorming. So this is a way to establish a learning culture inside the class. Whenever there is a co-education system at the graduation level, it has been seen throughout the world that student productivity has improved a lot because of their behavior, their sense of responsibility, and they are eager to improve their performance. So this is a source of learning and improving their performance. So co-education provides students an opportunity to improve, to establish learning culture and to improve their performance and attitude, and this create a very positive impact on their performance and behaviors. So co-education is a source of improving their knowledge, vision, and they know how to behave with each other. This helps both male and female in their professional, practical field, that how they have to interact with each other in a positive and more productive manner. So this is a very good system.
Wonderful, thank you. My next question is, do you think that co-education system create and improves the healthy competition?
Yes, of course, as we all know that co-education system provides students an opportunity to have a healthy competition. As we have earlier discussed, that they use to improve their performance, they are eager to improve their vision, they are eager to improve their communication skills, they are more responsible. So without any doubt, the co-education system provides students an opportunity to establish a healthy competition in all respect, whether it's academic or non-academic activities. It has been seen throughout the world that their level of confidence improves when there is a co-education system. However, the student needs to have a very, very responsible approach. When they are in co-education system, they need to be more ethical, more logical, and more focus on moral values, because this is the only way to achieve productivity. So I personally think that in a mature environment, in a mature attitude, the co-education system is very beneficial for the healthy competition. As we all know that through co-education, women are now more empowered, they are becoming more CEO throughout the world. So the level of confidence and the level of understanding improves. This is a sort of healthy competition, and it helps a lot in establishing a learning culture inside the class.
Exactly. Okay, last but not the least, what are the main disadvantages of the co-education?
Well, there are certain disadvantages, as we all know. We are an Islamic state, but throughout the world it has been seen that there are certain disadvantages of the co-education system. First of all, that below graduation level, what is my opinion, that there shouldn't be a co-education, because at graduation level students are more mature by their attitude, by their thinking, but they need to have a mature and very responsible behavior. It has also been seen that some of the students, they show casual behavior, they show negative behavior, they establish a casual way of emotional attachment with each other, they behave in a negative way. This impacts negatively on their performance, on their character, and on their mind. So whenever there is a co-education, the students, the male and female, needs to be more responsible, more ethical, and more, they must focus on more moral values, that how they have to interact with each other. Because you have seen in nowadays the peoples are, some of the male and females, they show a very irresponsible behavior, and due to which they, sometimes they ignore their study, and they play with their future. So I would personally say that people, whenever there is a co-education system, they need to have a very, very responsible and ethical and moral approach. If they will follow the golden principle of Islam and the golden principle of humanity, they always focus on a responsible, ethical and moral values. They need to improve their character. If character will be good, their performance will be good. If they will show a loose character, obviously it will impact negatively on their personality, on their education. So there are disadvantages which exist. So we need to have a very, very responsible approach in order to achieve the learning objective. Ji madam.
I think every person should think about the education, not especially the co-education, and we can compete the emerging nations of the modern world. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. अपने कमेंट्स से, अपने व्यूज़ से हमें ज़रूर आपने आगाह करना है, और माशाल्लाह से आपने एंड तक वीडियो देखी. थैंक यू सो मच.
अब इसी तरह से देखिए जी व्यूअर्स के अब हमने थोड़ा सा पैटर्न चेंज किया. प्लीज़ इस इंटरव्यू को गौर से हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर देखिए. मोर और लेस क्वेश्चंस आर इंटर रिलेटेड विद ईच अदर. सो आपने बड़ा फोकस रखना है. बिलीव मी, मार्क माई वर्ड, इफ़ यू फॉलो माई advises, my strategies, you will see +8 band would not be a big deal for you. Inshallah ताला आप 8 to 9 band achieve कर सकते हैं. So मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ. In the end of the day, thank you very much for watching our videos. Your valuable feedback will always be appreciated. जी मैडम, anything would you want to say?
Thank you so much. A bundle of thanks.
Thank you very much. खुश रहिए. अल्लाह ताला आपको सेहत, सलामती और हर तरह की बीमारियों से दूर रखे, और अल्लाह ताला आपको खुशहाली दे, आपकी फैमिली को खुशहाली दे. हमें दुआ में ज़रूर याद रखें. प्लीज़ दोज ऑफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन सो यू कैन गेट माय न्यू वीडियोस. प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. मैं बड़ी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि एक बड़े प्रोफेशनल वे से कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे प्रोफेशनल अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करें. So this is my humble request to you. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.